Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a lost or stolen Credit One credit card. It's going to be a really quick video. Let's get straight into it. So first thing you're going to do is to contact Credit One's customer support immediately to report the stolen or lost card. You're going to need to provide the required information that's going to help you to verify your identity, and then you can just request a replacement card. And you got to make sure that you review and understand the replacement card process and its timeline, and just wait for the replacement card to arrive. And once it does, you want to activate that card immediately, and you can review and update your account's information as needed. So you also want to consider setting up account alerts, because that's going to help you to monitor your account activities and make things a lot more secure. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to replace a lost or stolen Credit One credit card. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.